When this guy was parked outside of someone's house, the owner came out and you won't believe what he said.
Call the police. The fuck is this nigga on about, bro?
You drive with respect around here. Do not park in front of my fucking house.
What did I do?
Flying through here at 45 miles an hour. Get the fuck out of here.
I can park if I want to, nigga.
You wanna bet?
Oh, call the police.
You wanna talk shit? I will call the
Call the police.
Those cameras just watch you fly past here.
Go get the kid. Go get everything. Go get everything. Thank you. Go get everything. Matter of fact, I want the security too, nigga.
But after this guy tried calling the cops and they didn't come, he decided to do this.
Get the fuck out of the road. You guys are impeding fucking traffic. Get the fuck out of the road. You want the cops here?